Meet the macaw, a bright, bold, and brilliant bird that looks like a flying rainbow. Macaws live in the rainforests of Central and South America and are known for their super colorful feathers, loud calls, and amazing smarts. They can mimic sounds, solve puzzles, and even crack open tough nuts with their strong beaks. Macaws love to fly in flocks, chat with their bird buddies, and spend their lives with one special partner. And guess what? Some macaws can live up to 60 years or more. If you think macaws are as awesome as we do, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun animal facts.